Good morning. Hi. It's almost pleasant out here this morning if it was just sunny.
Yeah.
It's pretty warm and calm. The winds are calm.
Very nice. If it's sunny, it would be beautiful.
Yep, got birds chirping, happy cats, you know. No Legos though.
No Legos, no.
Saturday. I think I have one coming Saturday. He does run, especially in the mornings when he wants to give Slate mostly a lot of trouble. Hi, it's morning walk time. It's called Exercise the Kitties. De-stress the mom. Although I'm not stressed first thing in the morning. It never rained yesterday, even though it looked like this for most of the day. I have no idea if it's raining today or not. I suppose I probably should check that out. I'm sitting on the steps up here, and the girls, I think they want to come, but Tux has positioned himself so that if they come this way, he'll chase them. So there they wait. They'll probably, when I go down the path over here, they'll probably cut across and come see me. And I guess now Slate seems something she wants to check out. You guys will be fine, but you're risking getting wet. I guess the water right now is kind of currently going under over there instead of on top. I don't exactly get that, but first daffodil of the season open. I would not consider this early. I would consider this about normal for here. Them coming out of the ground in December is a little early. You know, I did fertilize these guys with bone meal. I don't see as many blooms as I would like to see. Typically the ones on the other side have done better, but a bunch of them didn't seem to come up. I think I might have too many leaves on them. Let me go over and see if they're buried and if I can free them. I think you can probably see them. That's a mockingbird eating some of the dried up beauty berries. His or her mate is 15 feet to the east. Just jumped up there on the butterfly bush and ran off another type of bird. Just what I don't need, territorial mockingbirds. They would not be on my list of favorites. Of course, if they want to come eat the berries, that's good. Since it's Thursday, the main thing that I am doing here during the middle of the day is making sure I am prepared for robotics with the boys at the school. And today we're going to be talking about kind of some basic programming constructs and how they're accomplished in the EV3 block coding method. Here is an example of assigning a variable, a value, creating a variable, that kind of a thing. We're going to be talking about my blocks, which are essentially procedures, and the timer block a little bit, and just a lot of programming stuff today. Last week we were on Lego constructs, how to build. Today we're back a little bit more on the programming side. It's raining. We've had thunder. I've been up the hill to put out food for Morris and Stripe. I actually didn't see Morris today. And guess who was in the doghouse under the tarp? One guess. Tux on that heating pad up there, away from the girls. I had to haul him out. He's over here now with the girls. So everything is good, no fights or nothing, but I got a little wet, and yeah, Tuck's trying to do what he's not supposed to do. I hear Stripe up there. He just meowed at me. Here's a good boy. You go in your doghouse. Tuck's isn't up there anymore. Hey, I'm gonna get to see you.
That's right.
Although he just told me that he turned off his work computer, but he's making sure he can do stuff on something he needs to still do on the Chromebook.
I need to do a little reading. I'm trying to brush up on a couple things that have sort of confusing me, and just want to do a little reading.
Well, good. I'm glad you're able to come and get comfy. So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dawn found out today that you're never too old to be asked to go for a drug test.
That's right.
Poor guy. He's going to read for 10 minutes and he's going to be asleep.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let me be very clear.
Yeah. Let me get you a thing of tea, and that'll you'll be asleep in 5 minutes.
Right, warm me up, that's right.
But yeah, one of his contracts required a drug test, so he had to go out in the rain. He drove the van and into Fuquay, and then, you know, things are never as simple as they could be with LabCorp. We like LabCorp.
Yeah,
they were our customer at IBM.
They were very, the lady was very helpful. She didn't just, you know,
Brush you off when things didn't go, when the paperwork wasn't quite right.
The paperwork, the order wasn't exactly, wasn't in the right form.
Yeah, so anyway, that's what Don's been up to. Conference calls, drug tests, and now some nap time.
I've sent several kind of rudimentary design emails today. I'm thinking on a solution I'm coming up with. I'm just trying to get some buy-in from the customer, make sure that they feel like this is a good direction, or a direction that's likely to come to the kind of outcome they want. I don't want to waste time coming up with a UI and a bunch of stuff if they say, oh, this is not, we don't like this at all. I want to get, you know, get them to buy in.
Well, robotics went good for me. My presentation was just the right amount of time. And I'll probably go that route again for next week with some other control blocks. All right, let me not keep you awake anymore.
Yeah,
I mean, midnight over here, he's setting the perfect example for you know, how to nap on the couch.
Us guys know what to do when we get to a love seat.
Yep. He'd probably prefer if I'd have put my blanket over there, but he laid down before I got a chance to Here is the mineral shop. I have been working on putting all of this gold ornament stuff on the outside. I had got the black trim up yesterday. So this thing is actually extra thick because, you know, there's the trim pieces is a one out, and then there's the actual wall, which is one. So it's a little thicker than most walls. There is just a little gold piece above the windows that goes here, and I'm waiting for a piece that'll let me attach it on, so that does look pretty. And that's what I've been doing, just a little bit after robotics. You know, I had to adult first and get my presentation done. I'll be replacing this blue piece too. That's also on the way. I have just enough time before I gotta cook to go down to the environmental park and spin the Pokestop. Yeah, it's raining out there. I gotta move Ruby out anyway because Johnny's got Taekwondo. It's 5:45 p.m. I technically think I got 3 or 4 minutes until sunset. I should still be legal at the environmental park. Yeah, there's plenty of light still in the sky. I won't be here long.